Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file an amended tax return. First, pinpoint why you need to amend, perhaps due to overlooked deductions or unreported income. Next, collect all relevant documents, including your original return and any new forms like a W-2 or 1099. You'll primarily use Form 1040X, the amended U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, to make these crucial corrections. This form is essential for federal adjustments. When filling out Form 1040X, you'll see 3 columns for each line: original amount, corrected amount, and the net change. Carefully enter these figures. It's vital to provide a clear, concise explanation for each change you make in Part 3 of the form. Remember to attach any supporting documents, such as a corrected W-2 or a new Form 1099, to substantiate your adjustments. Once your Form 1040X is complete, mail it to the specific IRS address provided in the form's instructions. It's important to note that you cannot e-file an amended federal tax return. It must be sent through the Postal Service. After mailing, be patient. The IRS typically takes up to 16 weeks to process amended returns, so plan accordingly. Keep in mind that you generally have 3 years from the date you filed your original return, or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later, to file an amended return and claim a refund. Also, remember that state tax returns usually require their own separate amended forms, so be sure to check your specific state's regulations. For more great financial insights, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.